Hi, hello students. So in the previous video, and we have discussing about what is a transformer and what is the symbol of a transformer, and we have discussed in that first video. And this video we are going to discussing about a working principle of a single phase transformer, or working principle of a transformer, or which is also called as a operating principle of a transformer. This is very important concept topic. So in this uh, the AC machines, the how the transformer is working, what is the principle of the based on the which principle the transformer is working. This is a very important topic. So here, so based on the mutual induction, based on the mutual induction principle, so the transformer is working. And before going to the how, the what is mean by the mutual induction, how an EMF will be induced in the transformer, and what are the parts we have in the transformer. So, and we should know about what are the parts we have in the transformer. And here, so this is the structure of a transformer, and these are called as the windings. And so while we are observing this one, and which is having a two windings, so this winding is called as a primary winding, and this is called as a primary winding, and this winding is called as a secondary winding, and this is called as a magnetic core. Magnetic core, so core of a transformer, so which is made by iron core, right, steel core. So here, what is meant by the primary winding, and what is meant by the secondary, what are the purpose of the primary winding, and what is the purpose of the secondary winding. And we need to know about these things also, which is very important. Primary windings, which is the windings, so which is connected to the supply, so which is connected to the supply. And we have the secondary winding, which is connected by the load. This is called as a load. And here we are giving the supply to the AC supply, we are giving to the uh, primary winding of the transformer. Whenever we are giving the supply to the primary winding, and which carries a current, right, that is equal to I1, and this the direction of the current is like this, right. So this is the direction of the current. So whenever and we are supplying to the AC supply to the primary winding, right, so an alternating flux is set up in the core. An alternating flux is set up in the core, transformer core. And already we told that based on the mutual induction principle, so the transformer is working. And now we need to know what is meant by the mutual induction. So mutual induction means here we have the two windings are there, and which these windings are wounded to the armature core like this. This is the armature core, which is having a square shape, right. So here, so this magnetic core or transformer core, which is laminated core, this is also called as a laminated core. So while we are laminating this core to reduce the eddy current, and this is the one of the loss. So majorly we have the two losses in the transformer. So one is called as a copper losses and iron losses. So again, in the case of iron losses, we have eddy current losses and hysteresis losses. So eddy current losses, whenever we are laminating this core and to reduce the eddy current losses, right. See, so whenever the primary winding carries a current, right, so here the alternating flux is set up in the core. So these are the transformer magnetic core is there, so it provides the path for the flux. The flux is flowing like this, but here an EMF will be induced in the primary winding, that is equal to E1. So and here, so whenever this alternating fluxes is coupled, mutually coupled to the secondary of the transformer winding, an EMF will be induced. So this winding, this induced EMF is called as a self-induced EMF. Why? Because so here, so the primary winding which carries the current. So due to this current, so flux will be produced. So this flux, according to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, whenever the flux lines linking to the conductor or winding, so an EMF will be induced. So that here the same field, so which is produced by the winding, so which is linking to the that winding, EMF will be induced. That EMF is called as a self-induced EMF. Here, so here the magnetic core is there. So in the magnetic core, the flux is flowing like this, and this flux is linked to the secondary of the transformer, secondary winding of your transformer. EMF will be induced. That EMF is called as a mutually induced EMF. Here E2 is called as a mutually induced EMF, right? And here N1 is the number of turns of the primary, and N2 is the number of turns at the secondary. This is the primary number of turns, at secondary, and induced EMF at the primary, induced EMF at primary, and induced EMF at secondary, and supply voltage primary, and load voltage, right? So this is the mutual induction, right? So that means mutual induction means, so here we have the two coils. The first coil which is produced by the flux which is linked to the secondary winding, EMF will be induced. This mutually coupled to this flux to the winding, EMF will be induced. This induced EMF is called as a mutually induced EMF, right? So this is called as a mutual induction principle. So based on this principle, so the transformer is working. So this alternating flux is linked with the secondary winding, and EMF will be induced, right, across the secondary winding. That is equal to E2. E2 is called as a mutually induced EMF, right? So both E1 and E2, so directions are opposite to supply voltage according to Lenz law, right? So what is meant by the Lenz law? And whatever the EMF will be induced in the primary and secondary windings, which is always opposing to the supply voltage according to, based on the Lenz law. So Lenz law means the induced current which is created by a magnetic field which is always opposes that cause producing it. So right here E is equal to minus N into d pi by dt. So this is the according to this one, and which is always whatever the EMF will be induced in at the primary and secondary, which is always opposing to the supply voltage, right? Thank you.